NASDAQ 100 and US30 both dropped sharply yesterday, and with a fears rising for a stronger rate hike after good strong services and manufacturing data, specifically services. NASDAQ 100 has seen a good drop, and remember 11,920. Those who watched my weekly analysis must remember these levels. I have told several times in last couple of weeks that US 100 may try to achieve these levels before it tries to bounce back. I will be cautious of 11,920, 11,840 levels. Now, likewise, US30 has breached below 31,000 levels and in fact has seen 3970 levels. What is going to happen today? Before I come up with my next analysis before the US cash session, which position you should take, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Missing on to subscribe this channel is missing on the profits. Do not commit this mistake. Do like, share, subscribe and comment. Let's start the day. First, we'll look into NASDAQ 100 followed with Dow Jones. Do watch till the end. Do listen to it. These are the hourly charts for NASDAQ 100, precisely getting the support at 11,920. You can see it is consolidated here on the hourly chart, then a sharp drop towards the opening of this day, and you can also find out that now the resistance there at 12,050 is going to be stronger enough. I have told you yesterday, I am telling you again, 12,050, below 12,050 there is still bearishness. Also look at this, the consolidation levels at 12,020. So yes, you can go long about 12,020. Expect it to rise for 12,050, 12,060 zone, and beyond that if it trades, we can see or we can consider that as a reversal, and we can expect it to rise for 12,150, 12,200, 300 levels. Till the time it trades below 12,020, do not take any position, and specifically below 12,050, be cautious. On the downside, 11,920 is the level. Below that, yes, you can expect it to drop for 11,840 and below levels. Directional movement, bearish. Stochastic comfortable on the hourly charts. MACD is extremely divergent and bearish. RSI hitting the bottom, trying to bounce back from here. Look at the 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour charts, one thing to observe that this has come out of the consolidation. This is the first red candle and the second red candle can appear, but I will be cautious. Only long entry is if it trades about 12,020. Beyond 12,020, you can expect it to rise a little. Then 12,050, 60 levels and 12,100 levels will come into picture. 12,100, 12,150, 12,200 are going to be the stronger resistance zone on the upside. Directional movement extremely bearish. See, I told you in my yesterday's analysis that this is the consolidation zone, and every time it consolidates it gives you a sharp drop. See, little consolidation and a sharp drop is what we have seen again. Directional movement bearish, stochastic looking downwards. The MACD is divergent and it is bearish here. It is crossed over few candles back. It is still showing some bearishness. RSI is at the bottom now. On the 3-hour charts, you will find that it is giving you lower highs and it is giving you lower lows till it trades above 11,920. Be cautious with the shorts. Till it trades below 12,020. Be cautious with the longs out there. In fact, 12,050 is something you should watch out for. Only about 12,050 we can expect it to rise, and this time 12,100, 150 and 200. Watch out for these three levels. Beyond that, you can consider that as a reversal. I told you also on the 2-hour charts, it appears it has seen the channel highs there. This is the first high and this is the second high. So accordingly on the upside and downside, 12,300, 400 zone, I have told you several times, is going to be the strongest resistance. It is trying to trade with the drops right now. The directional movement is bearish. The stochastic is at bottom, again looking downwards. The MACD is divergent and bearish. Remember, it has just crossed 2 candles away or before 2 candles, and possibility for it to continue in red exists. Only a sharp greener candle can make it reverse from here. RSI looking downwards. On the 4-hour charts also, look at this. After consolidating for a while, lower highs, higher lows, this is giving a breakout. And see, a breakout means possibility for it to give you successive red candles exist, and then it may try to, if it breaks below 11,920, it can drop for 11,840 the next target, and below that also is possible that it can try to drop for 11,750 levels. Directional movement extremely divergent and bullish. Stochastic looking downwards. The MACD on the 4-hour charts has just crossed over. This is the first red candle. Be careful, it can give you more red candles from here. RSI looking downwards. On the daily charts, see this, on the daily charts it is seen previously higher highs, and now the pivot is at around 12080 levels. So with that as pivot, it tries to see in the highs, possibility for it to see a low exists that it can try to drop till towards 12900 levels, and then 12840 levels can be seen. Only bullishness is if it breaks beyond 12100, then you can consider that we may see it rising till towards 12200 12250 levels. Directional movement bearish, stochastic oversold, the MACD is divergent and bearish, RSI is looking downwards again. Considering this, do not trade between 12020 and 11920 today. In fact, if it breaks below 11920, the next target is 11880, 11840 and 11800. If these three are taken, below that you can expect 11700, 11500. Anything is possible. These are markets. Yes, below 11800 it will call for the bears out there for the rest of the month. We may see a stronger drop before it tries to rise. On the upside, you can go long at 12020, 12055, 12060 levels going to be the first target. If it breaks beyond this, then 12080, 12100 is the next target. Beyond 12100 you can remain bullish for a little, then you can expect 12150, 200 levels, and beyond 12200 it will fly for 12300 and plus levels. Take your positions accordingly. Do not trade between 11920, 12020 levels. And yes, if you want to learn the same art of reading the charts carefully, taking profitable entries, exiting profitably at the right time, you can join my mentorship batch. The next batch starts on 12th of September. Only couple of seats. And definitely the methodologies taught, the strategies provided will help you become a profitable and proficient trader. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram channel ID, my Telegram personal ID, and my Gmail IDs are mentioned in the channel in video description. Also, you can become a patron and support the channel out there. Reach out to me for more details. And now let's start and have a look at Dow Jones. See, US30 on the hourly charts has also consolidated in this zone, precisely at 31150. So this is again clear. Only above this we can expect little bullishness. Also above 31150 you can expect that we may see it getting the resistance at 31250 and 300. Beyond 31300 if it trades, we can expect it to fly, and then we can remain bullish on Dow Jones. On the downside, you can watch that it is trading at the bottom of the Bollinger Bands. The support there at 3900 is going to be strong, and below 3900 you can expect it to drop further. The directional movement is sharp bearish here. Stochastic looking downwards. The MACD is divergent and bearish. RSI is oversold. On the 2-hour charts, see, it is giving you red candle. This is coming out of the consolidation. It is trying to trade with a drop, and possibility for it to drop further exists. If it trades below 3950, yes, you may see 3900, and then below that you can expect it to drop for 3800, 700 and below levels. Directional movement extremely bearish, can start to converge. Stochastic oversold. MACD divergent and bearish, it can start to converge. RSI is oversold. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts, lower highs, higher lows, and this is the first breakout candle. There is a possibility that there could be follow-up red candles which might take it further below. Be cautious of 3950. Below 3950 you can stay short. Only long entry is if it trades above 31150 levels. Only sustaining above 31150 you can expect it to rise more. Be cautious till 31150. Directional movement extremely divergent and bearish. Stochastic oversold. MACD has just crossed over, and this is just 3 candles apart. We can see more red candles and we can see more divergence. RSI looking downwards. On the 4-hour charts too, it is coming out of the lower highs, higher levels. This is a breakout candle, and possibility for it to remain a red candle exists. It can try to achieve 3800. Those who recall my weekly analysis, I have given you these levels, that this is 37800 zone is going to be a stronger support zone. It can try to achieve this and bounce back from there is possible. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic is looking downwards. The MACD has just crossed over, and this is bearish, and it is still divergent, indicating more bearishness. RSI looking downwards here, indicating bearishness. And on the daily charts, you can find out previous candle higher highs and this candle lower lows. The pivot here is at around 31,300 levels. Only if it sustains above 31,300, it will call for stronger bullish moves. For the day, be watchful of 31,150 sustaining above 31,150. You can expect 31,250, 300, and if it breaks beyond 31,300, it will call for the bulls. It will rise more, and below 39,50, we can expect it to drop more. So yes, do not trade between 31,150 and 39,50. In between these 200 points, you have to exercise extra caution. With the volatility increases, the no trade zone also increases. Remember, 200 points for US30 is nothing in these volatile movements. Stochastic is oversold on the daily charts. MACD is bearish and RSI is at bottom. Considering this, do not long anything. Do not buy till 31,150. Do not sell till it is above 39,50. Below 39,50, you can expect it to drop. For 3900, 3800, 3700 levels. In fact, below that is also very much possible. On the upside, yes, if it breaks beyond 31,150, be cautious till 31,300, and then beyond that, we may see it flying for 31,500 and plus level. Take your positions accordingly, trade accordingly, trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.